Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A7 Sportback Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the black edition, you do get the gloss black badges and window surrounds, as well as multiple elements on the front and rear bumpers. Under the bonnet is a 2-litre turbo diesel engine producing 201 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous Matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch 5 twin V-spoke alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key fob or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The rear seats can be folded for that extra little bit of storage space. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with carbon fibre elements on all the door cards and dashboard. Centre armrest and rear air vents help the rear passengers have maximum comfort, and both outer seats are fitted with the Isofix point so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support. Finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and the driver's seat has 2 levels of memory function available to you if you have multiple drivers. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel, giving you full control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice controls, mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button, which brings up the 360-degree camera systems, giving you multiple angles of visual aid so you never have to worry about damaging your precious paintwork. And you also get the Park Assist, which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is follow the prompts on screen. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this short video on the approved used Audi A7 Sportback Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro in Mythos Black, which is available now at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team or simply visit the showroom to have a look for yourself.